y'all? Welcome back to another video. Now you guys are probably wondering. I know you're wondering. Ben! What are you doing in the garage again? Last time you were in the garage, you were installing a part. Well, today, guys, that's exactly what we're gonna be doing. Now you guys can probably guess what it is based off the length of my cock. I mean, this box. It's new side skirts. Wait! Before this video continues, I do wanna let y'all know that last time I checked, only 99% of y'all were subscribed to me. Do me a favor, click out this video and never watch me again. Just kidding! All you gotta do is click out this video, hit subscribe. It'll help me out, help the channel out, and help me bring out more content. Oh my God, it's hot. There we go. Okay, so now that there's actually light in the garage, I can go ahead and show you guys what I got. Like mentioned, as you guys might have guessed, it is side skirts, but you guys don't know what company it's from. So without further ado, let me just shut the fuck up and open this box so you guys can see. Ow! Okay. So I haven't told you guys what company it is yet, but based off the packaging, I can already tell the way they package the product, it shows that they care. It shows that they care about shipping damage, and it shows that they care about customer satisfaction and the quality of the products. All right, anyways, the company that I got this from, it's actually another part that I want to get from this company. I'm not gonna tell you guys yet, obviously, but eventually that video is going to come out. It's definitely a video that I'm really looking forward to doing soon. And I have mentioned that I wanted this part before. 3M tape. Okay, skinny 3M tape. Size doesn't matter, guys, okay? More 3M tape. More 3M tape. Okay, on to the actual side skirts. Side skirt. Ow! Ow! Hell yeah. If you take a look here, this is the company that I got it from. I got it from Sayber Designs. I love, love, love their side skirt. I just love their lip kit. These are the new side skirts that is going to be going onto the car. Now, before you guys say, oh, why didn't you get carbon fiber ones? Like mentioned in previous videos, I don't want to spend a fortune replacing carbon fiber parts if they get damaged. I'd rather affordably replace, I'd rather have to replace God damn it. I would rather affordably replace plastic parts rather than carbon fiber parts, okay? You guys get this already. What I do appreciate is they do give us 3M tape. Hopefully this is enough, but I don't know what the fuck this is. I wanted to save this for last because you guys know how much I love my stickers, and they gave us 2. I'm a little bummed out that they didn't give me a banner. Well, maybe the banner's in here, let me see. If there is one, I will supercharge my car. This is indeed more hardware. Okay, wait. If this is hardware, and this is hardware, what the fuck is, wait. Guys, I am so fucking confused. Anyways, yeah, before any of that starts, we have to take off the current side skirt. So let's go ahead and get started. Forgot the keys. So now I don't remember. See, I'm feeling something. Oh, there we go. I don't know if I just broke my side skirts. Okay. Huge thanks to Street Arrow for being a part of my build. I know there was no sponsorship or anything like that, but honestly, aside from the side skirts, which look amazing, I do fuck with the banner, but unfortunately, because we're not gonna be running Street Arrow anymore, I'm gonna have to take off the banner. Thank you very much, Street Arrow, to new beginnings. All right, y'all, we successfully took out the side skirt. This fucker tried to run away from me. Thank God I found him. There you go. Here is the side skirt. Once more, I am pretty sad that I'm getting rid of the Street Arrow splitters, but to new beginnings. Let's go ahead and take these off. Okay, apparently this isn't a 10. Gotta make me look like an idiot.
Me or you?
The world. And here we are, the naked factory side skirts. This shit took a real beating. I don't know how. All right, well, one down, another one to go. All right, y'all, these splitters are off the side skirts. Now let's just go ahead and clean up this desk real quick, make it look nice and neat, and then we can just go ahead and get started installing this bitch. Table is cleared out now. We got the OEM side skirts and now the side skirt overlays from Sayber Designs. Before we install these on, we're gonna properly clean these side skirts because they are pretty fucking dirty. Looks like it's finally time for some 3M. I'm still trying to figure out what this piece of 3M is for. When we line this up together, it's gonna meet up like this, right? And then I'm gonna have to do self-tappers right here into the side. But as you know, it's gonna leave a gap. It's gonna leave a little, you guys see that gap right there? What my speculation is that we use this as like a molding piece right here in between that part to not have the gap. I honestly don't know, but fuck it, we ball. If it has a gap, then it has a gap. All these parts right here, this whole like surface right here is going to be meeting with this surface right here. So what I think is I'm gonna line up 3M right here because I know this is gonna be a larger surface area where it's gonna be pressed on. I'm gonna put a lot more on this side, so. Okay, I'm just gonna lay it out all along. So some progress done. I'm really hoping that this is actually where we're supposed to put it because if we were to line it up right now, if I were to put it right and we press it down on here, press it down from the inside, this is what's gonna eliminate that gap that we're gonna see. I think this is how it's supposed to go. I'm just worried because let's say some future plans I have and I have to take this off. I hope I can put it back on, we'll see. But let's not worry about that right now. Let's just continue doing it. So I know I'm not really the most professional install channel. I usually just do videos of me installing stuff, but if this helps any of you guys, do let me know in the comments. I've tried looking up videos specifically on how to install these properly, and I have not seen a single one. I've only seen videos of them installing it, but not showing us how. I just wish that they provided instructions for people who are dumb like me. But I mean, assuming I have common sense today, this should be where it's supposed to be laying. All right, we finally got it all along here. Hopefully we did it right. I'm gonna go ahead and snip this bitch right now. Before we continue, I do want to lay another thing of 3M just to be safe. I'm not trying to fuck this shit up like I always do. So, you know, I said let's try not to fuck up anything. Well, I think I fucked up. See, when we're putting these on, we're gonna want to drill it somewhere, right? And where we're gonna want to drill it is in here, which is where I put all the fucking 3M tape. You know what? That's fine. Unless you guys think I could just drill through the 3M tape. You know what? I don't even care. We have 3 rolls of things that we could spare right there. I'm gonna install this right now. We're gonna put it on, we're gonna press this motherfucker. Obviously, we're gonna have to self-tap on these sides right here, but just so that we can make sure for the longevity of this thing and make sure it doesn't fall off when I'm driving, we're just gonna say fuck it, drill holes wherever through the 3M because I'm really not trying to redo everything like that.
Oh, what?
Oh, nothing. I'm not trying to redo any of that work, so fuck it, we ball. Looks like we got it on pretty nice and well. I'm just trying to make sure that all this sticks, because I would hate to mess this up and have to start over. I think that did the job. Perfect. Now, obviously, I want to drill maybe 2 or 3 down here, just to make sure that we get a real stick. But I think we're able to mop this up and see what it actually looks like, so. Oh my fucking God. Guys, this looks so fucking insane. I'm super happy. This is definitely gonna be an upgrade. We got the good old drill from the Dinosaur Age. I think I'm just gonna drill 1 right here and 1 right here. No, let's do 3. I'm not gonna half-ass this shit. We're gonna do 3, make sure everything stays intact. Hope you guys enjoying this so far. 5,000 subscribers and I will supercharge my car. Fuck it. 10,000 subscribers, I will blow up my car. I always have trouble finding the right size for these motherfuckers. I just usually ballpark them, but I like to go smaller because if we drill too big of a hole, that's an issue. But if it's too small, we can always make it bigger. I think this is the one. not gonna be the smoothest. This isn't gonna really be the smoothest drill just because we put 3M on the other side, remember? But I was too lazy to fucking take it off. I'm pretty sure it's gonna work, guys. I mean, look at that. It's already going in. Look at that. First try, guys. I didn't have to go through 1,000 different drill bits. Look at that, guys. Perfect. And then we're just gonna go ahead and put a nut right here. Driver's side has been installed. I mean, I'm no professional, so there is gonna be some minor imperfections, like this little thingy right here, this mold piece. It's kind of scapping itself out, but overall, I think this looks nice. Guys, this looks fucking insane. I don't know what the hell happened here. Why is there a gap? Guys, what did I do wrong? What did I do this time? So, I don't know what happened with that little gap that I just created between the side skirts and the quarter panel, but I'm not gonna worry too much about that right now. We're just gonna go ahead and get started on the other side. This took longer than expected, so we're just gonna get that done and we'll be right back after that. Alrighty, guys, the other side has been put on the car. On to some sad news. No more street arrow. No more street arrow. Goodbye, street arrow. It's a sad moment. Bye-bye.
R.I.P. in the chat.
R.I.P. in the chat, guys. Okay guys, well, it's a little bit windy, but there you have it. These are the new Sayber design side skirts on the car. I honestly think it is a huge upgrade. I think it was time for a change, and I definitely think these side skirts complement the rear end more than it does in the front. I don't know. Alrighty, y'all, that's gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the install for today. The car definitely looks really different without the banner now. Definitely less attention. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think about today's video. Do you guys like these side skirts more? Do you hate them? Do you love them? Do you miss the street arrow? Do you miss the banner? If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe. It's free, like I said. It's definitely gonna help the channel grow. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed. See ya.